Hi, this is Sammy from SINOMACH. Today, we are proud to introduce the SINOMACH GEL 160C wheeled excavator, purpose-built for professional job site mobility and high efficiency across all terrains. Alright, let's check it out. Equipped with a self-axle and transmission, the GEL 160C reaches travel speeds of up to 35 km per hour, making job site transfers fast and efficient. Cruise control helps reduce operator fatigue on longer hauls, while industry-leading ground clearance and a compact overall width give the machine excellent maneuverability in tight or challenging conditions. At its core, the machine is powered by a reliable conveyance engine, paired with a high dust-holding capacity air filtration system. This setup ensures consistent performance and strong fuel efficiency, even in dusty and demanding environments. A high-performance cooling system delivers strong airflow with low noise, supporting continuous operation under heavy workloads. The fully integrated hydraulic system provides smooth and precise control for excavation, loading, and lifting. Auxiliary hydraulic lines come factory installed, making attachment changes fast and efficient. Combined with a large capacity bucket, the GEL 160C helps maximize productivity on every cycle. The electronic throttle provides fast and responsive control. Combined with cruise and creep modes, it enhances operational efficiency. While specialized anti-stuck tires ensure durability and long service life, preset outrigger mounting points allow easy installation, further enhancing stability during heavy-duty operations. Inside the cab, operators benefit from excellent all-around visibility, supported by a rear-view camera and the blind spot monitoring system. 8 LED work lights ensure safe operation in low-light or confined environments. There's also ample onboard storage for tools and maintenance essentials, keeping everything you need within easy reach. With its exceptional mobility, proven reliability, and the job site-focused design, the SINOMACH GEL 160C is a trusted choice for your professional wheeled excavation needs.